Complaints from customers in the tourist industry is a field worth investigating since the reputation on the establishment depends a lot on it. According to research in this area, the number of direct complaints by clients is low, 40%, but the opinion of unsatisfied customers about our business is not always that low. Because of this, it's very important to listen carefully to guest opinion, paying attention to positive and negative review, because the quality of our service is going to depend a great deal on that. Besides, we must tackle the problem and do our best to avoid repeat them in the future. To achieve this, we have to make sure that customer suggestions are listened to with great empathy, so that measures are taken to improve the quality of our service. To be able to achieve this, our staff needs to be trained, and we need to do our best to meet the needs of our clients. In conclusion, proper training and a lot of empathy for our clients should be our mind goal.